Welcome to know about Clickfunnels affiliate marketing. Your guide to affiliate marketing. Have you ever read stories or watched kids movies where a caravan is all set to search for treasures of gold? People dig into the earth only to find dilapidated skulls and unnamed insects. The gold, or the treasure so to speak, remains hidden from the world, and the caravan's dreams of getting rich instantly burst into million pieces. What if we tell you that there is a way you can earn a substantial amount of money without setting out on an excursion? In this fast-paced world, you need to get your hands on as many money-making techniques as you can to get some moolah in your bank. The problem is that there are only 24 hours in a day, and you can't possibly have more than one 8-hour job to get your bank account rolling. So, how are we going to grant your wish? Passive income. Here, you earn money by working indirectly for a brand. For a majority of people, there is no better way than affiliate marketing to have a substantial side income. Click the link below this video for more updates. What is affiliate marketing? The term can be formally defined as follows: the process through which a promoter can earn money by promoting other people's products as affiliate marketing. Built on the revenue-sharing model, affiliate marketing is simple to master. You have to market other people's products through an affiliate network. You are entitled to a commission if your marketing actually gets people to buy the product you have been promoting. Affiliate marketing goes both ways. This means that you can be on either side of the table. For example, if you have a product or if you offer services that you want to promote, you can offer some financial incentives to promoters and get them to promote your product or service. In the same manner, if you have no product but you are the master of marketing, you can enter into an affiliate program with a brand and market their products or services. How to become an online affiliate marketer? Here are some easy-to-follow tips that will help you understand how you can up your game of being an affiliate marketer. Review products in your niche. If you have a blog, an Instagram page, a YouTube channel, or a Twitter account and you have a huge following, the chances are that many people are reading the stuff you post because they can relate to them. So, if you're a writer who loves writing small Insta poems, there are high chances that your social media followers are also voracious readers. If one morning you decide on becoming an affiliate marketer and start promoting sportswear, for example, your followers will not immediately follow the link and buy the product you've been intending to sell. This is because you don't have the right audience. Just like marketing your own products, promoting other people's products also requires you to understand your audience and have an idea about what kind of products they are interested in buying. Once you have the information, collaborate with the company or the merchant which sells products that are liked by your followers. To help you understand this concept, let's go back to our original example. If you are a writer and you love sharing small poems with your audience, make a partnership with bookstores or publishing houses. Write short reviews of books or summarize a few poems and get your followers to buy the book you have just reviewed. Promote products of different merchants. You don't have to work with one merchant as an affiliate marketer. You can work with different merchants in the same niche. This will give you a large number of people and subsequently a greater amount of commission. Keep sharing content. Never forget that the main reason why your followers come to your page is the original content that you upload regularly. If you compromise on the quality or the frequency of the content, you will end up losing your followers. Obviously, you don't want to sound like an advertising company for different brands. We already have hundreds of that. Things to avoid with affiliate marketing. As easy as it may sound, affiliate marketing does require a considerable amount of care and caution. Here are some of the things that you should be mindful of if you want to keep your affiliate marketing steady. Picking the wrong product to promote. This is basically an extension of what we explained above. If your original content is not at all remotely connected to the product you are endorsing, you will raise red flags. So be careful what you're promoting. Picking too many products. Your channel, page, or account was not originally set up to promote products. Don't enter into the affiliate program with too many brands. Not uploading the content. If you stop uploading the content that led you to have a huge following, you will slowly start losing your loyal followers. No one wants to see marketing posts round the clock. It's true that through affiliate marketing, you will earn a lot of money, but you have to try to retain the followers and upload original content. Only the followers who trust you will show interest in buying the product that you have reviewed. Not trying new things. The digital age is standing on the foundations of the latest trends. If you are unaware of the trend, you are most likely to lose your followers. You need to be relevant and come up with content that is relatable. Keep trying new things and try to go with the flow. How to become an affiliate marketer for Clickfunnels. There are so many affiliate programs that you can sign up for, but the Clickfunnels affiliate program is among the best. Clickfunnels provides a commission rate that has helped promoters make a six-figure commission in 1 week. Signing up with Clickfunnels is not an uphill task. The minute you create an account on the site, you become a Clickfunnels affiliate. Your dashboard will have all the relevant links that lead you to Clickfunnels products that you can promote. You can also be a Clickfunnels affiliate without an account. Clickfunnels also has a sticky cookie which provides better chances for a promoter to make more money. Making money as an affiliate marketer is stress-free. You don't have deadlines to follow and you can take time off whenever you feel like. Affiliate marketing, however, is a good way to have a steady supplemental income. Thanks for watching this video.